I had
You
chest.
probably got to go through 3 sessions for it to be permanently gone.
Oh, okay, so how much that cost?
Everybody double tap the screen.
See, that's what I'm saying. That's why I don't want to be no woman.
Smoke said you got
I
yours
ain't the
done.
motherfucking razor and a damn shaving cream. I ain't gonna do all that.
No smoke. I just know
She in a lot
that.
of pain.
Hey.
What you? No money I drive.
Yeah, but whoever doing hers, they not doing it right.
Hey, y'all.
Just jumping up and moving.
Why you say she's not doing it right?
She said she's doing it right.
Oh, she got to do it right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they got mad about that. Big mommy about to go off. Look at her.
Don't be mad at me.
Right, because y'all. You're not supposed to be moving up and all that stuff and getting the lady and all that crying and stuff. Now, you're not supposed to do all that. Y'all doing malpractice.
That malpractice like fuck.
That doctor finna
He had to go to Columbia.
That doctor finna go down for real.
Well, I know that doctor finna be under the jail.
That doctor's supposed to be doing that.
That bitch ain't finna see another day of life. That bitch finna be under the jail, honey.
All that damn hollering. That big head was moving and stuff. Oh, y'all see what that guy was moving?
Yeah, damn, I got scared, girl. I thought they was doing open heart surgery on her. Y'all roses, y'all. 4 more roses, y'all. Roses.
Chat, get ready, chat.
Everybody with a rose, y'all. 4 roses, y'all. 4 roses. Thank you, Smoke. I need 3 more roses.
They finna go down, y'all. They finna go down for malpractice.
3 more roses. Damn, I can't get 3 roses. Thank you. I need 2 more. 2 more. Thank you. 1 more rose. I can't get 1 rose. Thank y'all.
All right, y'all. Let's shoot.
Thank you, Jalea. Thank you, Jacoba.
All right, y'all. We're gonna use the double. We're gonna use the double.
Y'all, everybody go on the doubles, y'all. They lagging and shit now since we called them. Everybody go on the doubles.
I can't take
Thank you, Nate J. Thank you, Simply. Y'all, everybody go on the doubles, y'all. Go on the doubles. Go on the doubles. It's like,
Thank you, Miss Page.
so when you gonna go to the tow yard?
I'm about to do like 2 more matches. I'm getting off.
He gotta call and see where it's at first.
Yeah, you got to call around tow trucks companies.
Thank you, Jay. Good kid. Thank you,
Thank you, baby's mama. Thank you. Shouts to y'all.
Thank you, Draco. Thank you, Angel.
I love it when you. SYM. What SYM mean?
Oh my God.
What SYM mean?
Thank you, Draco.
Do anybody know what that mean? Hello, y'all got me murdered.
Wait, D-Boy better be careful because I think you can go to jail for parking in handicap.
Boy,
Yeah,
you can't go to jail.
They
You
gonna
get
get him a ticket. I pay the tow people.
Are you talking about jail? Come on now, Kay. Now you know better than that.
Hell, I thought you did. That's why I don't have parking handicap because I thought you go to jail for it.
That's why I'm parking handicap either.
Why we on here with Big Freedom and they just pausing like that?
Yeah, he gonna get both. He gonna have to pay that fine and he gonna have a ticket.
Okay, please.
For real, Big Freedom down there looking so mean.
Y'all got to go, man. I really got to go.
Yes, I'm talking about you.
What you said
Big
about me?
Freedom. I said you look like Big Frida, and you down there, your internet ain't working good, and y'all down there doing malpractice on that lady, doing that laser. That lady's not supposed to be moving. That lady's supposed to be up under anesthesia. And y'all down there doing all that stuff, and that lady just moving her face and stuff. The lady hitting all in the eyes and the mouth and the nose and all kind of stuff. That lady ain't supposed to hit all the body parts like that.
And mind you, when they do laser, she supposed to have like the eye goggles on.
Right. She ain't even got on no glasses. That is down there.
Place y'all so we can get a glove. Thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much.
Y'all made some noodles. I put some ghetto good. Oh my God, it's too much seasoning. Ain't nobody hear you with
Thank you. I am putting bread.
I hear you. I'm only doing that for concern out of that for that lady. Can't nobody hear you.
Thank you, Em.
Y'all, this hot sauce still good.
You give me that.
I gotta get mute Big Frida. I can't hear nothing.
Thank you, Jay Monique. What's up?
Stop.
All right.
Lord, allow.
Get a girl.
Thank y'all for sleep, y'all. It don't make no sense. Thank you, NAJ. Thank you, Simply. Thank you, Queen Tacola, Jalea, Smoke, Dimples, Regina, MacArthur, Von, everybody who didn't make top 10.
Oh, y'all, these noodles so good.
What you eating in yours?
I'll meet you in the hallway.
I got hot sauce. Hot sauce. Hold on. MVP. Oh my God. Girl, ain't nobody scared of you. Ain't nobody talking about nothing. You ain't talking about nothing, girl. Y'all down there doing malnourished stuff. Y'all malnourished. Y'all doing that stuff down there, malpractice. Y'all doing malpractice. Y'all doing mal. Hold on, D-boy. Hold on. I'm finna call y'all back. He want to go off on me and can't nobody hear what he's saying.
You still up here with him?